What is a computer? Stay with me until the end of the video. My name is Ali and welcome to this video. In this video, I talk about the computer. A computer is a device that takes raw information from us and converts it into processed and understandable information for us. For example, when we are typing a text on a computer, the information is sent to the computer by the keyboard and the result is displayed to us through a monitor. Computers are highly capable of processing and can perform very high mathematical calculations in a few thousandths of a second. Simply put, a computer is made up of two parts, hardware and software. Hardware. Anything from a computer that can be touched means it can be touched. For example, graphic card, case, keyboard, mouse and monitor. Software. Anything is called a computer that cannot be touched and is not physical. For example, Windows or programs installed on it, such as Word software. The computer has many pieces of hardware that greatly affect the speed and processing of the computer. The first important component in a computer is its motherboard. The main board is a computer to which all computer components are connected directly and indirectly. In fact, it is the skeleton of a computer that connects other computer components. Gigabyte and Asus are among the most popular motherboard manufacturers. The next part is the CPU. The processor is one of the main components of a computer and is the brain of the computer. And all the processing of a computer is the responsibility of the processor or CPU. The choice of processor has a significant effect on the speed of a computer. Intel and AMD are the two main brands in processor manufacturing. The third part of the hard drive is a computer in which all our information and files, including videos, music and photos files and system files are stored. Western Digital and Seagate are two popular brands of hard drive manufacturers. The fourth piece is RAM or main memory, which plays a very important role in the speed of a computer, and therefore it is very important. The higher its capacity, the faster the computer. Kingston and Corsair are among the most popular RAM brands. The fifth piece is the graphics card. The graphics card is responsible for image processing and its choice to work with graphics and design software as well as computer games is very effective. Nvidia and AMD are the only manufacturers of graphics card chips. The sixth piece is power. Power is responsible for powering all the components of a computer, and choosing the right one will extend the life of our components. The main characteristic of a power supply is its output power, which is expressed in watts. Cooler Master, Asus and Silverstone are the three most popular power manufacturers. The seventh piece is the case. It is a metal box in which we put all the parts I mentioned above to make a computer look great. The choice of case is very important in terms of body material and number of fans. Deepcool and Asus are among the most popular manufacturers of quality cases. Apart from this, the computer needs other devices so that we can communicate with its case. For example, the monitor is connected to the case with a cable. A monitor is a device that provides us with the final output image of a computer. Output image quality is defined by resolution. and the size of each monitor is measured in inches. Samsung and LG are two popular brands of monitor manufacturers. The second and most important device is the keyboard. Keyboard is a type of computer input device that we use to type and command the computer. Two types of wired and wireless are produced from the keyboard. A4tech, Logitech, and Razer brands are among the keyboard manufacturers. Mouse is another type of input device that allows us to select files and run files and software. Two types of wired and wireless are produced from the mouse. A4tech, Logitech, and Razer brands are among the mouse manufacturers. The last device needed for a computer is called a speaker. Speakers transmit audio output through music or movie files.